relaxed mind, a peaceful soul, a joyful spirit, a healthy body, and a heart full of love. All these are my prayers for you today. Have a blessed day. Okay, students, today I am again here with a new story. The story is about the lost teddy. Can you see the picture on the cover page? Mom and Kipper was standing on the bus stop waiting for a bus, and Kipper was holding his teddy in his hand. Have you ever ridden on the bus? The one that the mom and Kipper wants to catch has an upstairs and downstairs. Do you know what a bus like this is called? Yes, this is called double-decker bus. Okay, now, Mom and Kipper get into the bus. Kipper wants to go upstairs. We won't go all the way upstairs today, said Mom, because there won't be time. We're getting off at the next stop. Mom had taken Kipper with her, and she went to have her eyes tested. If she had been by herself, Mom would walked. But in the first place, she was in hurry, and Kipper couldn't walk fast enough. And in the second place, Kipper loved riding on the double-decker bus. So Mom thought it would be a treat for him, as it was earlier shown that Mom and Kipper sat down downstairs because of the short ride. In no time at all, the bus pulled up at the next stop, and Kipper and Mom had to get off. Oh no! Kipper was so surprised because the journey was over, but he left Teddy behind sitting on the seat. As soon as Kipper got off the bus, he remembered Teddy. Ah, I have left Teddy on the bus. I have left Teddy behind. By this time, the bus had moved off. It was almost out of the sight, so it wasn't possible for Mum to run after it. Oh, Kipper, said Mum, I can't do anything at the moment. I'm already late for my eye test. But what about Teddy? Said Kipper. When we will get home, we will phone the bus company. I expect the bus conductor will find the Teddy and look after him. When Kipper got into bed at night, he was very upset. He couldn't get to sleep without Teddy, and he was crying. Biff and Chip tried to make him happy. They took some of their favorite toys to give Kipper. Don't cry, Kipper. I keep wondering if I'll never find the teddy again. If someone else can find it and keep it with himself. So what can I do?